LCD na in-order namin dun sa dinas-assemble ko dati na Huawei Y9 Prime. Ngayon ikakabit na natin siya. So, let's go guys.
Hi, my name is Matt, and today we're going to work on this 1999 Chevy Malibu with a 3100 engine. It has a check engine light with a P0113 and a P0111 intake air temperature sensor codes. So in this video, I'm going to show you several ways to diagnose your air temperature sensor to see if you need one or not, both using a scan tool and not using a scan tool for those of you that don't have one. And then we're also going to afterwards talk about what the IAT, the intake air temperature sensor, is, why you need it, have an understanding of it for those of you that are interested. So, should be pretty easy. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, sorry for the mess here because I'm doing actually a whole bunch of other stuff on this car, but most of it's maintenance, and this is the more interesting thing. But this is your air intake box with your air intake snorkel. On most cars, you're going to have your IAT somewhere in that snorkel. This is your mass airflow sensor on this model here, and some models the IAT will be part of the mass airflow sensor. On this, it's a completely separate unit. It lives in the hole on the side of the snorkel here, and this is actually the unit right here with the connector. The IAT is actually just a thermometer. It tells the temperature of the air, and the engine uses that information for some stuff I'll explain after the video. Oh, and by the way, on some car models, this guy is not air snorkel, and it's actually located on the intake manifold somewhere, or on the plenum. And that's kind of an unusual location because of the heat soak, but of course the software and the PCM calculates for the higher temperature. Alright, I'm going to set up my scan tool here, but again, we will cover doing this without a scan tool as well. While that loads, I just want to share an important philosophy. Very important to understand this. Do not look at that code and see blah, 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 intake air temperature sensor, blah, 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 and think, oh, I need to get an air intake temperature sensor. If anybody tells you that you need to replace the air intake temperature sensor alone, if you go to that and ask them for help, you're going to get that will tell you to replace your intake air temperature sensor. What I'm telling you right now, if you change the air intake temperature sensor on this car based on the code during the year, even if it fixes the problem. And there's a lot of people that don't understand why the problem. That's because it's long and hard about it. The reason is because there are other things that can cause that code besides the sensor. You have to test to make sure that the sensor is faulty. And of course that's Alright, I couldn't actually show the trouble code because I got it. So the trouble code is on, but again, it was 0111 and 0113. But what we can see is the intake air temperature sensor is reading -30 degrees. So this actually the IAT works. There's a 5-volt reference signal. The IAT is a thermistor, and I'll explain all this in the video. But basically, so the hotter the air temperature, the more voltage, less So what this is probably an open sensor, this is something in the wire. So the test should be really easy. We're going to do it both with a scan tool and, of course, without a scan tool. But what I really wanted was a hit for voltage on here because it would be easier to look at voltage. And admittedly, I'm a little worried because normally when the sensors are bad, I kind of see them pull out.
Ang pinapasok ng mga dito, puro virus.
The simple method to do this, when I unplug the
Mga cyber
sensor,
pati.
then
Nag-program to.
I don't think that's going to happen because of this open situation, so it's probably not going to change. That's kind of a problem. All right, it's unplugged, and it didn't change. So if this number, or if we saw voltage on our scan tool, if that number changed when removing our sensor, then you know the sensor's bad. That you're pretty much done actually. You can do some of the other tests on it, and you're pretty much done. So now I'm a little worried about that. I thought that these would be easy. What this is telling you is this is not a bad sensor. So, what did I just say a few minutes ago?
Password.
Great example of that.
Password.
IoT.
Pero na okay naman na yun.
Message yung mayari kung ano ang password.
Tapo na yan. The way that this all works is through a 5-volt reference signal. Very simple, 2 wires. We've got a tan and black, and it's going to be the signal wire, so you can see if I can get audio running for a second. And what I'm looking for is for 5 volts, which we're not going to find. Scan for
Okay na to, no?
battery when I would use my work.
Huawei 9 Prime, napalitan na siya ng LCD. Full functionable na siya. Ilaw kasi. May mga tape siya kasi mas maganda kasi ang tape kesa sa lastiko. Mas nagfi-fit yung LCD. Anyways. So yun guys, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, just please like, share, and subscribe, and hit mo na rin yung notification bell para lagi kang update sa mga bago kong videos. Bye!